Hi, I am Sophie Mark. I am studying in Primary 3. I am 9 years old. Today I would like to talk about a passage reading. The title of the passage is Help for Animals Affected by the Wildfire in Australia. So let this passage begin. The Animal Rescue Craft Guild makes items for kangaroos, koalas, and other animals affected by the wildfire in Australia and affected by the ongoing bushfire. While Australia destroys wildfire continue, and we hear on the terrible toll on animals, an army of donors is working on a solution. The Animal Rescue Craft Guild has seen its membership through, as all from the world join the goal to make poultry scraps and nets for the animals in need. CNN reports that in the middle of last year, the group has only around 1,000 members who were busy knitting blankets for rescue pets. But with the fire raging Australia, they switched their attention to help the wild animals which have been affected. By New Year's Day, the Guild's membership has swelled to 23,000, and now there are more than 120,000 crafters from all over the world. They can make jolly pumpkins for kangaroo scraps, corn forks, bats, and giant koalas, and nets for Fiji birds. They have brought together the early from carrying home kids at school and even men and women in stay at person. And it's spread and include people some places like Singapore and Finland. The Guild's Facebook page has 229,000 members are offers partners and for people who want to help. The items are sent to Australia by hitching a ride. With people traveling to the country, those with not so nimble fingers can donate money to help buy raw materials or pay postage. So this is the end of the passage reading. So we move to vocabulary building. So I want to talk about some vocabulary in this passage. So number 1 is Animal Rescue Craft Guild. That means the Animal Rescue Craft Guild is a place for the animals who have been affected in Australia. So if the koalas has been affected, and they will stay at the Animal Rescue Craft Guild, and the man and woman in person, maybe they would be the job is Animal Rescue Craft Guild is the man or woman, so they can help the animal. So the next vocabulary is distraught. So distraught is an adjective. That means causing great damage. So if it's say in Chinese, you can say 嚴難性嘅或者災難性嘅。咁 the next vocabulary is wildfire. So Chinese meaning So wildfire in the noun. So it's a large fire. So you can say in a woodland. So in Chinese we can say 沙漠 or 損失. 損失 that means we have hands and legs and someone did not have hands and legs, so he is in trouble. So fraternity is someone who want to help, and he go to a places who want to help, and the children want the fraternity to help. So that means fraternity is a noun. So that means a person who want to help in some places, and the man who invites them. So it says take part in a job or task. So in Chinese it can say 义工. That means who want to help someone. So the last vocabulary is membership. So membership in Chinese meaning is 活运. So in English, membership is a noun. The members are the numbers of members in a group. So what does that mean? So membership is someone in the family members. So an example is like this. My family has 4 members. The first member is mom. The second member is dad. The third member is my brother, and the fourth member is me. So it can say, my family has 4 members. So this is the end of my vocabulary building. So we can move to points of reflection. So what does that mean? So we have one question you need to answer. So this is, what can we do to help the animals in the fire area? So this question you guys need to think about. So we can move to take-home questions. So take-home questions is, it has 2 questions. And the first question is, would you like to take part as a vegetarian to help knit blankets and poultries for endurance animals in an animal rescue rescue? So I have an answer, but you can't follow my answer. If you guys follow my answer, it's you cannot think about your answer is what. That means maybe your answer is more pretty than me, so you'll be good. So don't follow me. My answer is this. Yes, it was because I love animals. I want to help. I did not want they got damaged. I want to help in animal rescue rescue. So this is my answer. So number 2 question is coincide a wildfire that happened in Australia with sand. How do you think we can help? So my answer is this. We can go to Australia and use water to deal with the fire. So this is the answer of number 2 questions. So this is the end of today's lesson. So thank you. Bye bye.